our special delicacy which is called mohabbat ka sharbat. Let's start the recipe. Let's take the ice cube. Let's put ruh afza. Let's add 1 liter of milk. Mix it well. Add 1 spoon of rose water. Give it a stir. Now, time to add the watermelon cubes to it. Slice it. You need to make it in a cube size. Take out the seeds. Cut it in small cubes. Now we will add watermelon cubes to the drink. Give it a fine stir. Our drink is ready. Let's serve it. Take a glass. Take a teaspoon of ruh afza. 2 spoons of chia seeds. Add little dry fruits, almonds, pistachio, cashew nuts, and few cubes of watermelon. Give a stir to the drink. Let's pour it. Add vanilla ice cream on top of it. Add little pistachio. Our drink mohabbat ka sharbat is ready to serve. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query,